Hello everybody. I got my package in from Grabit with my 3D tech printed. So what we'll do now, we'll open it and see what we got. Okay, it's packaged really well. Includes a piece of paper that says where it was shipped to and who from, all that good stuff. You see it's packed pretty good. Let's picture the box again. Put onto the miniature. Let me adjust the camera. There we go. And what we have here is my tech that I entered in the contest. It's a little different. I added these two blocks on the back so that, there we go, so that that's the way it originally was, but I took them out because the competition was only so big. Okay. I don't know if you can see it on the screen. Let me try to show it here. But let me get a pointer. This laser gun, this laser gun, this laser gun, and this laser gun are missing the focusing dish like this one has. This one has it, this one has it, this one has it, this one has it. But unfortunately, I don't know if you can see it real good. It's because it's white. But 1, 2, 3, 4, they're missing it. That's the only flaws I see in it. It would have been really nice to have them. That one kind of weak. Might have to put a drop of super glue on that one. Of course, they're not held on by very much. They weren't in the box. But it's a little smaller than I thought it would be. Maybe if it was a little bigger, it would be easier to print it out. So I'll contact Grabit and see what they can do about these dishes, because those are kind of, that one's kind of weak. I'm gonna have to put a drop of super glue in there, stiffen her up a little bit. But all in all, the ship time and printing of the tech was pretty quick. I will include photos to see if it'll stand out more, because like I said, it's the front two and the digital display for the batteries is there. Now I got it in the light. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me see if I move the camera and get a little closer. Try to focus in on that. No, it's not going to do it. So what I'll do, there, you might be able to see that now. See the lasers? They're missing that like front dish. See this side has it. The two rear ones have it. See if I turn it this way. Oh, that's way worse. What's this way? Can't get happy because it's pure white. It's hard to see. But they can print them out because, like I said, the two back ones have it, and this side has them. But I don't know if you can see the lasers in the front. Don't have that little dish. And you know, if they're supposed to print them out, it'd be nice to have it all complete. I mean, they could print out the antenna for the payload terminal, and that came out real good. And the radar dish came out really good. It's just those 4 lasers. So I'll contact them, see what they say. I will keep you updated on the adventure. But yeah, it's still pretty cool. I can't wait to paint it up. We'll see if I can't make my own little dishes for the fronts, but you know, when you buy something, you expect it to be perfect, so maybe I can get them to ship me another one with the lasers on them. Anyhow, I'll take pictures and I'll post this on the forums. Alright, see you later, guys. Okay, bye.